I got a maxisys autel Bluetooth scanner. Had for a long time. Don't use it much because I work at Toyota. But with this, as I use it now, the battery shows the battery. If you look, shows the battery is fully charged, ready to go. All right. Now let's unplug her and see what happens. We're firing up. Guaranteed to get plenty of fun out of that. I don't know if I missed something here, but I don't see anything happening to you. Okay, that's as long as the battery will hold up. I bought a battery kit on eBay. We're gonna change her out and see what happens. First, I've got to get rid of these four four 4mm screws. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the corners they belong, because I think some is at different heights or lengths. So far I don't see a problem. So now there's no problem there. Now let's, oh, that's only a taste of it. Looks like we got some more in the front. Here's where the stuff may happen. Yeah, let's see if we can find something small enough to fit the front ones. Small as I go. Well. And the plot thickens. Alright, we're going to see if these torques will work. Now I'm using, it's Allen head, which is smaller than an eighth, but I'm going to use these torques. Apparently will fit fine, and we'll see what we got going on there. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep them all the corners lined up together. Alright, let's see how these things come off. I don't see it running no marathon to come off there, do y'all? Alright. Got a little groove around it that follows the groove here. Follows that groove. So Keep all our corners right. I am going. Okay, pull from the bottom. Oh, it's trying to come on off. Come on if you want to come on. Alright. Wee doggy. Now we got all that bullshitnik on there. I don't know if we feel any better about ourselves, but I am gonna, I'd rather have a towel of some sort. Now you got little old plastic caps, Phillips screws in there. This says QC, I don't know what the hell that means. I feel confident that I don't know if we can get these caps back on here or not. But it does have Phillips screws. Kind of weird. I don't know if you can see in there. But it's got QC over top of them, which means nothing to me. Yeah, let's see if we can find a small tip Phillips. Yeah, I guess maybe it is. Thing is now is we got to think it's upside down, right side up. Let's make sure all the Phillips, and one to the left. Bottom one. Okay, so far they're the same height. A little Loctite on. Now these, which have QC covering over them, I guess that's quality control, so they'll know that nobody's been in them. But they got a little tamper proof on top of them so that they can tell if anybody's ever opened the unit up or not. Now this thing's not in warranty, so don't matter. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if she'll separate now without me breaking shit. Get some of this magnetic crap away from me. Ooh, let's see if we can lose some. God damn it. Uh-oh. We may get to see the insides of this son of a mother yet. Looking good so far. Thanks. Yeah, I don't know how the two halves are put together just yet. See no openings. Might not be a bad idea to check our inside here, make sure there's no hidden screw in behind that we don't see. Oh, there it is. Alright, on the inside of this door, there's one more Phillips. We'll find out if it's the same. I think it looks a little different than the other ones. It might be exactly the same, I don't know. Put it up there with the white tamper-proof ones. Now, so now we know that it does have it all the way across. And here the fun begins. If you look, this right here flips up. These flip up. Pretty cool. And that will relieve the tension on the electrical ribbon where you can pull it out. It's going to go right in the top of that white. Go slide down in the white, and then you're going to just drop that little black piece and unclip it. I don't know if I get any clearer than that because it is hard to see. Now all you got to do is pull straight out on the battery disconnect. You don't have to do anything special with it. Looks like we got 4, 6, 5 more screws. I believe this is just a cover to the battery. Now a lot of these things is not as temperamental, fragile as a person would think. That's what I'm going with anyway. If you look, looks like that battery's swollen. Looks a little fatty right there. Alright, I got all my screws laying over here. Let's see if this baby will come off there now. Well, see, we got stuff over top. See if we can maybe lift that up and slide it out. There we go. Yeah, look at that. That battery has overheated. It takes a little prying to get her out. Success, I guess. Jeez. Back together and then we can find out what is what. Is what is what is what. Now is this still gonna fit down in there? Does seem to fit. Now, see if we like that any better. Alright, cover, which that will be above that and below that, just like that. Now then, this will go below that wire, just like that. And that it's got a place to sit down on it. So that needs to slide slide in there a little bit more. Ooh-wee. Get it all tickled up there. Now let's put it back together and see if we got anything. Now if you look, this goes into that and that goes into that. So there's where my problem's gonna lie. Is if I can get that tucked back into that. And get that tucked back into that. So then you slide them in and flip them down. Hope that works as well as it looks like it's possible. Now, see if I can hold it together. Now, simple as that. That electrical ribbon is going to go right down in the top of that white piece, and then you're just going to push down on the little black piece and clip it in. What it does is it pinches it, which seals the deal, man. Yeah, yeah, it's in there square enough. I think we can actually put it together. One more easy look. Biggest thing being patient. We'll find out if it works, then we'll. Now, well, it's turned on. Lighten up. She's already been on longer than she has been previously. Uh-oh. Looks like life is all right. I'll be darned. And it's even got battery. Alright, we're going to put it back together and we're good to go. Power off. Okay, we're going to shut her all the way down. We'll put all our shit together. Looks like we're back in business.